What is up, YouTubers? We got the 102 engine rebuild, and this is part 6, I think.
Yeah, part 6. Get it running. And just cold. Ow, my knuckle got stuck. The head's cold, everything's cold. First start for the video.
First time. Let's go.
I'm anxious and I want to hear it.
You gotta shake it, just shake it to... I forgot what the farmer said, damn it. Shake it, then click it. Shake it twice and click it. What was that? Belt. Fires right up. I think the front pulley's making a noise.
Yeah, because it's going from the front pulley.
I don't see it hitting anywhere. No, I got plenty of clearance. Keep moving it over. Ah, this is in the bolt. Oh, is it? Yeah. Okay. My pulley's a little bit bent on the back side. Oh,
It's hitting the
we
bolt.
gave Rob the good one. Ha!
Oh well.
That's fine. Okay, we're gonna pause this real quick, and we're gonna have a couple of beers real quick, and then we'll come right back. We're gonna fix this pulley. It's just too close.
Yep.
Okay, fire up, bud. Well, we found out our pulley shot in the front. It's coming apart. So that's what that clicking noise was you guys are hearing. There's nothing wrong with the rod's not coming loose or nothing. It's that damn front pulley. So hope you guys like this channel. Don't forget to smash the shout out like button because you guys heard it run. We're gonna switch pulleys and it might be another part 2 after we get it running real good. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.